So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And recently I have uploaded one short into my channel, and after uploading this short I got lots of messages on my Instagram, like people wanted the full tutorial on this topic, how I create this basically. So yes, in this video we are going to talk about how we can create this kind of like monkey head inside flute tutorial. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. Okay, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, so make sure you hit the like button and subscribe my channel also for more blender tutorials. So without any further delay, now let's get started tutorial. So now here you can see guys, I'm into my blender, and here you can see I have used the flute add-on for this. So I'm just gonna tell you how I did this exactly and how we can create it. So first of all, I will just open a new blender file so you can guys easily see what I did exactly. I'm just gonna delete everything pressing the delete button, and you can also use the X1. Then I'll just go to my front view, and here I'm just gonna add one monkey head. Okay, and after adding the monkey head, I will just press the Control 2, and Control 2 is the shortcut key of the adding subdivision surface modifier into the blender. Then I'll just do shade and auto smooth. That's look awesome by the way. And I'm using Blender latest version, Blender 4.2, and I have purchased this add-on, basically flip fluid add-on from the Blender market. If you guys wanted to download, you can just go to the Blender market and search the flip fluid add-on. You will get this add-on. So then I'm just gonna press the N on my keyboard, and I don't think so I have to explain the process how to install the add-on. Okay, if anybody don't know how to install it, you have to just go to edit preference, and into the add-on section just click on this little icon and just click on the install from the disk, and then select that zip file which is you will download from the internet, and after that it will install it. Otherwise flip fluid also giving a one installation process video, so you can go through with that video as well. Now here you can see this is the flip fluid add-on settings. Basically here you can see. Now what I will do, first of all I will just select my object, and I'll just create this create domain. So what it does exactly, when I just click this create domain, so when I just hit this create domain, what it does exactly, basically it will like create a one domain and also just create this object as a obstacle object. Here you can see automatically it will create an obstacle object. Okay, like if you want to change it, you can change it from here as well, doesn't matter. But when you just hit the create domain option, okay, whatever object you have selected that time, it will definitely it will automatically like that add-on automatically will create that object as an obstacle object. But if you are doing same thing in a manually, like I'm just gonna tell you, I'm just gonna show you again. Like for example, I'll just add one what we can say monkey head. I'll just do Control 2, right click, auto smooth, and I'm just going to apply this add-on, something like that. Then I'm just going to add one cube here. I'm just going to scale it. So if I'm just going to create this create domain, and then I'll just go hit this one, and then I'm just going to my add and remove object section, and I'll just use this object as a obstacle. Okay, something like that. Then if I'll just go to my wireframe, here you can see I will just add some UV spheres. Here you can see inside this, like I'll just add one UV sphere here. I'm just gonna duplicate it, something like that. Okay, then I'll select both of them and deselect the monkey. Then I'll just gonna create as a fluid. Here you can see. Now what will happen, you can see like what will happen exactly. If I'm just going to click this auto load bake as well, now I'm just going to hit bake. Now here you can see nothing is happening basically. Why nothing is happening? Because as I told you before, if we just hit the create domain option selecting the any object, so it will automatically create that object as an obstacle and also enable some settings. Like right now here you can see that setting is disabled, it's called inverse basically. But if I will, like again I'm gonna show you, if I will, I'm gonna delete everything again. I'm just gonna show you again one example. Like if I will press the N and create a flip fluid create domain, something like that. Now here you can see it will automatically enable that option for you. Now if I will just, you will add the UV sphere inside this cube, like something like that, and I will just add as a fluid and something like that as well. We can just scale it a little bit so we will get more fluid. Yes. Okay, make sure it shouldn't be like outside from this monkey head. Now if I'll just gonna enable this auto what we can say load baked, and I'll just click the bake option. Now here you can see, we can clearly see the fluid is like floating inside this monkey head. So always keep in mind, whenever you are like creating any kind of animation where fluid inside any object, you have to enable that option. It's called basically inverse option. All right, if you haven't enabled this inverse option, might be possible you won't be able to see any fluid, and might be possible your fluid gonna out from that object. All right, so this is a major thing. That's why I'm giving you lots of example on it, because while using the flip fluid add-on, sometimes we are not creating everything manually. So but when we are creating things manually, so we have to enable this inverse option, then you will able to see the fluid inside your object. All right guys, now here you can see that's look awesome by the way. Okay, but right now here you can see that fluid quantity is not good enough. So if you want to increase your fluid quantity, so there is a two things basically. First of all, you have to increase the resolution. That will help you create a realistic and more fluid into your scene. But that cause be your might be your system can be very slower, but it's up to you basically. And secondary, you can increase little bit, like what we can say fluid objects. Here I'm doing basically, you can do the same thing. Like I'm just gonna increasing some fluids object, so we will get more fluid while we will just hit the big button. Here you can see it doesn't matter, it is colliding with each other, that won't be affect any simulation. Okay, now here you can see that much fluid object is good to go. Now I'm just gonna hit the bake option. Here we go. Now here you can see, after hitting the bake, you will see that whole monkey head, and might be possible that water come into their eyes. Yeah, here we go guys. Here you can see now monkey head is almost full. Okay, so there are two options where you can increase your fluids, but after creating lots of fluid object, if you need a good fluid, still you have to increase the resolution, then you will able to see the good fluid. Otherwise, and there will be like chances you will get some low poly fluids. All it's after creating all those things like these kind of fluids and everything is creating, then what you have to do basically, you have to just select your fluid, and you have to just go to your material settings, and from here you can change the any materials. Like if I need milk, you can see I will get a milk material. If I need orange juice, I will get orange juice, and whatever material you need, you will get it from here. By the way, here you can see that's look awesome. All right, and you can just play the animation, something like that. All right guys, so that's how I have created the like this monkey head fluid simulation, and that's very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you guys. So I hope guys you enjoy this tutorial and you will learn something new today, and you get the basic idea how you can use this add-on and how you can create that kind of animation. Like you can use any object. Okay, it doesn't matter, it shouldn't be always a monkey head, it can be anything. But the process whatever I've shown you here, you have to do exactly, you will get definitely your desirable result, which is you are seeing right now here. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries or fan session, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys, and love you all.